Hi everyone, welcome to the Crafty Corner. It's Katrina. So I'm still on my marketing kick, y'all, and I'm going to stay on that until I start getting more orders. So this is my mini marketing housewarming number 2 basket, and I will be taking this one to a realtor's office. I have one in mind that is in town, local, and I know a couple of the realtors that work there, so wish me luck with that. So in this basket I have the oven mitt. We have a kitchen utensil as well as a cutting board in the back there. I'm using the lemon and ginseng green tea, and I got that from Aldi's. This box was 19 cents at Aldi's, and it was part of the haul. I just forgot to show you all that. I got all they had. I cleared the shelf. Got all that they had, so I ended up with about 15 boxes of this. Alright, and as you can see, doesn't expire until 2026. It's upside down, but it expires in 2026. So we're good there. I included the salt and pepper shakers that I got for a penny at Dollar General. And I have a whole bunch of those because for some reason they didn't take those off the shelf. So I helped them out. We put our faux plants in there as well as some flowers. And then I have our fruit basket pretzels in there. Just a little bag of pretzels. Alright, and all of these items are sitting on top of a spice rack. And once again, like I said, this is a mini housewarming that I will be taking to a realtor's office. Alright, so it is a marketing basket. I'm getting ready to put all my stickers on there. So, I hope you all a wonderful Memorial Day. You know, when I'm in the Crafty Corner, my day is always wonderful, so I am having a great day. I hope that everyone enjoys your day. Ours started out with some thunder and it's still a little bit dark outside, but I'm always going to come to work in the Crafty Corner. I'm looking out the window, y'all. Still a little bit dark out there, but it's okay. So I'm going to take this to the realtor's office along with some flyers that I'm getting ready to create on the Canva. I'm not going to create a whole lot of them because I don't want to use up all my ink, but I'm going to create a couple so I can get them in these marketing baskets and take them to Staples and have them mass printed. Or the library, whichever one is a little bit cheaper. I know Boss Lady Fee likes to use the library, and I've never really heard anyone talk about taking them to a printing company, but that's my plan, is to somehow or another mass print them without using up all my ink at a lower cost. So my ink cartridges run about 50 bucks a pack. It's like 10-15 cents a page at the library. Not sure what Staples is, but I will find out. So that's where I'm at today. I'm working on some marketing things, and also working on setting up this payroll for my daughter to make sure she's able to track her hours and her pay. So you all make today a productive day. Make you think about this marketing basket. I think it turned out pretty cute. Make sure you like, share, comment. And for all of you that have pushed me over 500, thank you, thank you, thank you. I do have a giveaway coming up, and I will keep you informed on that. So I just need to work out the details on it. So make sure you tune in for that. For those of you that requested the Cricut tutorials, they are up. There's 2 of them up. Well, one's loading. It's been loading all night. I might have to reload it, but be blessed. But most importantly, be a blessing.